Are there any noticeable scars after surgery? I'm Dr. Francis Lao of Spectra Skin and Body Center. Sasagutin natin yan. Okay. When you go through a surgery, of course, you undergo the knife, no? So, yung knife natin will make incisions, no? And all incisions, no, will have a scar, no? So, that's the reality of it, no? So, in terms of scarless, pwede maging scarless yung healing kung maganda yung pagkakasuture and maganda yung pag-wound heal ng patient, hindi siya nag-keloids. There are a lot of factors in terms of scarring after the procedure. Pero syempre, you should really consult a good surgeon na magaling magtahi, no? Very meticulous. Maganda yung follow-up and inaalagaan yung mga scars ng patient. Para maging eventually, maging scarless yung mga in-incise ng surgeon.